Hello, welcome to my land. I manage a 90-hectare conservation grassland at the floodplain of the Hogan River. We are part-time cattle breeders and we extensively graze our herd on the grassland. However, the bulk of our funding comes from Pillar 2 of the CAP. And it's in the interest of this region to maintain this beautiful landscape. Biodiversity is very high in this region. We have the potential to sequester high levels of carbon with the right management practices. We can also reach high levels of water purification and regulation. Primary productivity and nutrient cycling can probably only reach medium levels. We need the right type of interventions to reach these goals.